The next tip is click on an existing dimension to reference this. And this is probably one of my more favorite tips. So you'll notice I have this shape here, and I've got this circle over here. I'm going to go ahead and throw a dimension on that circle. Now you'll notice when I click, it's asking for me to input in a size. So I could, type in 2 or something like that. But what's really cool is if I click on an existing dimension, so I'm going to go ahead and click right there, you'll notice that it puts what looks like D9. So it's referencing this existing dimension. And when I hit enter, sure enough, you can see that that's referencing that dimension there. So if I were to change, for example, this dimension here, so I'm just going to make that, let's just say 2, for example, you'll see that that one will update also to be 2 because it's referencing this existing dimension.